Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute, where if you give us a few minutes, we're going to give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. We're wrapping up our coverage of some pretty interesting Oracle announcements that they made in their recent Q2 earnings call. A couple things going on. I think there's unmistakable that end-to-end in this Oracle earnings call, there was an industry blitz going on there where Oracle, both CEO Safra Catz and Chairman Larry Ellison were clearly signaling their intentions to go more aggressively, more deeply, and more aggressively into this whole business of industry clouds and industry-specific solutions. A couple ways that happened was Safra Catz, the CEO, in her opening remarks, to the best of my knowledge, she has never mentioned industry clouds as being a strategic element in Oracle's huge cloud portfolio. She did this time very specifically called out the industry clouds they have. And she also made a comment relating to this booming need for the tech vendors to provide customers with industry specific capabilities. Katz said that our customers want our salespeople and all of us at Oracle to know our customers' business as well as those customers know it. So I think this signals something for not only Oracle, but the entire cloud business overall. And then certainly Larry Ellison, throughout his opening remarks in the Q&A, went very deeply into this whole notion of the power of industry capabilities. But Ellison, again, as we've touched on a little bit in some of our other comments about this, Ellison revealed his plan to have those industry solutions be very, very tightly bound to and interconnected with Fusion ERP. And the big markets that Ellison said are the most strategic and the most successful so far for Ellison in this regard: financial services. He listed off a huge number of companies that have gone with Oracle Fusion ERP and also that are interested in these industry-specific solutions. He also mentioned healthcare and logistics. So for each of those areas, Ellison said Oracle plans to embed new industry-specific capabilities and new functionality into its Fusion Cloud ERP. And then ultimately what Ellison said, this will lead to a new wave of B2B cloud services from Oracle. Many of them, or some of them at least, co-created with Oracle's customers, which Ellison now refers to as Oracle partners. A totally new outlook there for Oracle, totally new language. I think you could probably check 40 years worth of public comments from Larry Ellison and not see that in the past he has referred to customers as partners. But that is the new reality. Oracle's recognizing it. Oracle's going to make a big push in this area. And it's another one of those ways where I think we're seeing what cloud companies were before they are not today. They are changing and evolving very rapidly. Hope everything is going great for you, and I hope you have a fantastic day.